Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I'm participating in Tablescape Tuesday 22, hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. That would be Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I will link their channel info along with the playlist link down in my description box. Before we get to my video, of course, at the Rodgers House, we give shout outs, and today's shout out goes to At Home with Lisa. Guys, you all have got to go over and see her channel. She does some really nice tablescapes, and she's decorating a brand new home, so you get to see how she is transitioning into that. So when you go over there, tell her in the comment section that Felicia from the Rodgers House sent you. So today I'm going to be showing you my Leaves Are Falling and Autumn is Calling tablescape. So guess I'm starting off with my taupe tablecloth, and on top of it I'm using those soft blue charger plates, and then I'm adding those mint green dinner plates. On top of those I am adding that beautiful pumpkin and leaf saucer. I do a few embellishments, and here is the finished look. Enjoy the video to music. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my Leaves Are Falling and Autumn is Calling tablescape. And if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.